Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. I have fell in love with this beautiful little vanity by Brafab. It's just perfect for me. Now I just enjoy my 5-minute makeup routine in the morning. It's just what I need for my space in my room. And I do appreciate the 3 different lightings, but I do like the cool white the best. And the rattan in the front of this makes it so unique. Not only is it spacious enough, it has drawers that are very deep. You can put jars in it and lots of things. I found that it has everything that I want. It came packaged very well with its many, many pieces, but I just put on a movie and I just got to work. And it was very simple with the directions that were sent with it. It fits just right in the space that I need, and it has that beautiful green color that shines out in my room and brings it all together. I love it. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.